How to make an origami ghost. Grab a piece of square paper or a regular piece and make it into a square by folding one of the bottom corners to meet the top. Make sure the sides are in line with one another before you crease it down. Cut or tear the end piece off. If tearing, fold it over and crease it down. Now open it up and reverse the fold. This will give you a neater tear. Fold the opposite corners. Fold the top point down to the centre. Now fold the sides into the centre. Turn the paper over and fold the bottom up to this point. Fold this line over to meet this line. Repeat with the other side. Unfold and then fold the top down to meet the side. Crease only as far as where the lines cross. Now form and fold this tab outwards. Repeat with the other side. Fold the top points in around 1 centimetre. Fold the bottom edges into the centre line. Now fold the bottom out like so. Turn the whole thing over and then fold the ends down to create hands. Now grab a pen and draw the face. Yeah, it's been a decent day to be fair. I've scared 12 people already, that's 3 more than yesterday, so happy days. Boo. Oh, for crying out loud, Gary. I'm a ghost as well, remember, so you're not going to scare me. Oh yeah. Boo. Ah! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos.